Hey guys, now Blowzo wanted me to give you a message. He wanted me to issue his Propo Pro report. I told him we're not Propo Pros, and I told him I just don't have the equipment. My videos are full of moire pattern. And then he made me feel bad. I started to feel bad. And there is actually some value in this garbage. You see the dynamic happening, guys? I try to produce a video with some kind of value, and then I do this. But we're at spaceweather.com, see? And although they hate hams, there's oftentimes something useful here. Not always, but sometimes. And and seriously, man, if you're a new ham, just because the sunspot number starts climbing, well, when it starts climbing, that's generally a good thing, but more often than not, it indicates nothing more than instability. Look at the sunspot number, 47. Let's scroll down and find the solar flux units. Only 78. We had solar SFU numbers that high a couple winters ago when we hadn't had a sunspot in months and months. Just because the solar flux, just because you start having sunspot activity doesn't mean that you're in for great propagation. Not yet. It's coming. But more interesting, look at this, man. Check this out. And I'm sure you guys have seen this, right? Check it out, man. Look at this wave. I hope, yeah, my phone can capture it. And and also this little monster here hurled a CME at us. It'll be here in about 2.5 days. We're going to pay hell. You watch. Look at this wave radiating outward from that explosion. I can see it making it out to about at least here and down in here. Man, that wave is covering 2/3 of the sun's diameter. And that wave is plasma riding on a magnetic wave. Plasma, of course, being flame or electric arc. Those are forms of plasma, And, yeah, so hurled a CME directly at us, man. And it'll be here in a couple days. Hopefully, check this out. The last one took out communications over Southeast Asia. A few days before that, another one took out communications over another part of the Pacific. The one that took out over Southeast Asia was a C-3.8 class flare. This one here, man, I hope it whacks the United States. I hope it takes out propagation over the eastern seaboard. And if not the eastern seaboard, I hope it whacks California and whacks California hard. The People's Republic of California. Yeah. Anyway, man. Blowzo's Propo report. For what? Thursday, April 22nd, 2021. One CW video completed, one bullshit video completed. Now it's back to the CW. I've got to talk about my rig, my Yaesu 73.